Did you know that a large percentage of Americans are unprepared for a major crisis? Surprisingly, the items that could save your life might already be in your kitchen drawer or bathroom cabinet. Hey there, I'm Naim, and today I'm revealing 6 unexpected products that many survival experts overlook. These are the unsung heroes of the everyday world, ordinary items that can transform into life-saving tools during emergencies. Item number 4 will genuinely shock you with its hidden potential. While others scramble for the last flashlight or water bottle, you'll have the upper hand. You'll calmly reach for these overlooked gems, things most people walk past, oblivious to their incredible value in a survival scenario. These items turn a desperate situation into a manageable one. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on potentially life-saving information like what we're sharing today. Trust me, item number 4 on this list surprised even seasoned preppers I know. Picture this: the power grid is down, stores are shuttered, and you're on your own. In that moment, what everyday items suddenly become worth their weight in gold? I've organized these unexpected survival products into 6 distinct categories. These aren't your typical prepper supplies. No, these are ordinary things hiding in plain sight that could make the critical difference between struggling to survive and thriving when disaster strikes. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a classic duct tape. Duct tape doesn't scream high-tech survival gear, but in a crisis, it becomes a champion of versatility. Its strength and adhesive power are legendary, making it invaluable when things go south. During a hurricane or severe storm, duct tape can reinforce windows, seal cracks, or patch up a torn tent. It creates a barrier that preserves warmth and dryness, critical for survival. Imagine someone in your group takes a nasty fall. With sturdy sticks and duct tape, you can improvise an emergency medical splint. Need to repair a ripped backpack strap or a leaky water container? Duct tape. Need to fashion a makeshift rope? Twist long strips of duct tape together. It can create makeshift bandages or even rudimentary footwear. The beauty of duct tape is its simplicity and ruggedness. It's waterproof, incredibly strong, and conforms to almost any shape. From creating a spear to repairing critical gear, its applications are limited only by your imagination. It can mark trails or signal for help with bright reflective markers. In a chaotic situation, having a tool that allows you to fix things can be a morale booster. Duct tape isn't just for household chores, it's a compact, lightweight survival powerhouse. It can secure items, bundle firewood, or create a makeshift carrying handle. Its adhesive properties work on various surfaces, making it reliable across different environments. Darker colored duct tape can be used for camouflage, while brightly colored tape can signal or mark important items. The fibers embedded within the tape give it incredible tensile strength. So the next time you see that roll of duct tape, give it a nod of respect. It's a core component of any smart survival strategy. Our second unexpected hero is baking soda. This simple white powder, sodium bicarbonate, transforms into a survival powerhouse. Its most obvious use is in hygiene. Baking soda makes an excellent emergency toothpaste. It cleans teeth, freshens breath, and helps neutralize acids that cause decay. Beyond oral hygiene, baking soda acts as a natural deodorizer. A light dusting under the arms or in shoes absorbs moisture and neutralizes odors. Baking soda's chemical properties make it versatile for first aid. A paste of baking soda and water soothes insect stings and rashes. It can even act as a first response fire extinguisher for small grease or electrical fires. Baking soda can clean cooking utensils, water containers, and living areas. It neutralizes acidic spills or contaminants and absorbs spills. In food preparation, baking soda can soften beans more quickly, saving fuel. The sheer number of uses packed into this inexpensive powder is astounding. From personal hygiene to first aid, baking soda proves itself a true survival multi-tool. Keeping a box or two in your emergency kit offers a massive return in utility and preparedness. Our third item is the vacuum sealer. In a crisis, a vacuum sealer can transform from a kitchen convenience into a game changer. Its primary function, food preservation, becomes exponentially more critical. By removing air from packaging, it inhibits mold, bacteria, and yeast growth. This extends the shelf life of food significantly. Imagine safely storing dried goods, grains, or prepared meals for months without refrigeration. This capability is monumental when fresh food is scarce. Vacuum sealing can also waterproof and protect crucial documents and electronics. Important papers and small electronics can be safeguarded against water damage. Vacuum sealing compresses soft items, making them more compact for storage. You can create custom-sized pouches for specific needs. If you have a garden, a vacuum sealer allows you to preserve your harvest effectively. This self-sufficiency is a cornerstone of true preparedness. The vacuum sealer is more than just a tool for preventing freezer burn. It's a guardian of your food supply, a protector of vital documents, and a facilitator of efficient storage. It's an overlooked kitchen gadget that proves itself indispensable in a crisis. It's a game changer, plain and simple. Transition to next scene. Nature's gold, the enduring power of honey. Item number 4 is pure, unadulterated honey. Properly stored, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still edible. This incredible shelf life makes it a prime candidate for any emergency stockpile. Honey's value extends far beyond being a long-lasting sweetener. It possesses powerful medicinal properties. Raw honey is naturally antibacterial and antimicrobial. It can be an excellent topical treatment for wounds, cuts, and burns. Honey can help disinfect, prevent infection, promote healing, and reduce scarring. It's a fantastic natural energy booster, packed with simple carbohydrates. A spoonful of honey can provide an immediate source of fuel. In a prolonged crisis, morale can plummet. Honey can provide a significant comfort. For maximum benefit, use raw, unfiltered honey. Honey can soothe a sore throat or persistent cough. That jar of honey isn't just for your morning toast. It's an indefatigable food source, a potent natural medicine, and a morale booster. The unassuming thread dental floss as a survival multi-tool. Dental floss is a surprisingly robust and versatile survival multi-tool. Its small size and lightweight belie its incredible strength. Dental floss can withstand a surprising amount of pulling force. This strength opens up a world of possibilities beyond just cleaning between your teeth. It can be invaluable for securing lightweight materials in shelter construction. Dental floss can be fashioned into a fishing line or snares for small game. It can be used as a cutting tool for soft materials. In a dire situation, dental floss can be used as emergency sutures. Dental floss can bind items together, create a makeshift clothesline, or serve as a guide string. A small container holds dozens of feet of this useful material. Opt for unwaxed or lightly waxed floss for versatility. Its resistance to rot and mildew makes it durable for long-term preparedness. Dental floss is a high-strength cordage, a fishing line, a cutting tool, and a potential suture. Its versatility, strength, and compactness make it essential in any survival kit. Don't leave home or face a crisis without it. Transition to next scene. The lifeline signal. Power of the hand crank radio. The hand crank radio can be an absolute lifeline in a crisis. When the power grid is down, this device can be your connection to vital information. It receives AM, FM, and NOAA weather band broadcasts. Official news, evacuation orders, and weather updates are often disseminated via radio waves. The hand crank mechanism makes it self-sufficient. A minute of cranking can power the radio for 20 to 30 minutes. Many models include a small solar panel for passive charging. Modern hand crank radios often come with a built-in flashlight. Some models feature a USB port to charge small electronic devices. The NOAA weather band provides hyper-local emergency alerts. These devices are surprisingly affordable. A good quality hand crank radio can be purchased for around $30 to $50. In a crisis, hearing a human voice can be incredibly reassuring. When choosing a hand crank radio, look for durability, ease of use, and good reception. Make it a core part of your emergency kit. Test it regularly and know how to use it properly before you need it. This isn't just a gadget, it's your window to the world when all other windows are closed. Your everyday lifesavers, small steps, big impact. So there you have it, 6 versatile, unexpected products that could save your life during a crisis. Dental floss transforming into fishing line or sutures, the vacuum sealer preserving food and documents, the power of honey as medicine and sustenance, baking soda as a first aid hero, and the hand crank radio keeping you connected. These items could make all the difference when it truly counts. Being prepared isn't paranoid, it's practical. It's about taking responsibility for yourself and your loved ones. My grandfather always said, "Hope for the best, but prepare for reality." Life sometimes throws us formidable curveballs. The beauty of these items is that you don't need to spend thousands or build an underground bunker. Most of these things are probably already in your home. If not, they can be picked up for a small outlay, likely under $50 total. That's a tiny price for a massive increase in your resilience. What unexpected everyday item would you add to this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical survival tips. Stay safe out there, friends. Remember, sometimes the smallest, simplest preparations make the biggest difference.